Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to check does your REALME C71 support eSIM. Okay, so we are on the IMEI.info page and now you can see the link right in here. In this bar we need to type the IMEI number of our device. If you don't know how to find it, on our channel there's a video when I'm showing you all checking options of this site, and in the same video I'm showing you how to find the IMEI number on your REALME C71. So if you want to, you can look for it. Okay, once we have typed our IMEI number, we need to click on this blue button, check IMEI. Okay, now we have our device. As we scroll down, we can see some basic information about our device. If you want to click on Expand.info, you can see more information also and take a look. But we need to scroll down a little bit more to the downside until we find the basic checks. And the third option from the top is the eSIM compatibility check. We need to click on that. Now, on this blue button, check eSIM compatibility. And now we have the answer that this device does not support eSIM. Below we can see the number of the SIM cards in this device, the date on which the report was created at, and below we can also order the Blacklist premium check. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.